Okay guys, I'm getting a bit behind here, but I'm going to show you what's going on. We got a 65 Chevy pickup cab came in. We're just going to be doing the cab for now. As you can see, I know it doesn't look like it, but somebody's fiberglass closed it there. You know, you can see it cracking here, so all the rockers are gone. Cab corners have been fiberglassed. It's all fiberglassed in here. It's rotten floor down in there. You know, the typical on these trucks. You can see, look at the Bondo, how thick it is. Right, all gone. So it's going to take a lot of work. It's a lot of work. But anyway, this is my little project. This is a new one I'll be beginning on. You can see it's all gone there. Somebody cutting everything away and welding it all up. Of course, I'm going to blast the bottom half. But the main thing I want to show you is the Camaro before it goes home. The 80 Camaro is all painted up. And here she is. The owner's going to finish putting it together. But there she is. She might be a little dusty from sitting out here, but there she is. Oh, excuse me. There we go. So it's looking good. I put all the trunk lid on, the spoilers, the rear taillights, the rear bumper. Got everything put together on her. It's looking good. A little cramped in here to show you guys, but didn't want to put it outside yet. It's kind of a cloudy day. You can just see up there, kind of hazy out. So we're trying to get this over to the owner before it rains. They're calling for rain today around, I think, it was 3 o'clock. Now they're saying 4 or 5 or something. And the tow truck is on the way here at 2:30. So the other one bites the dust. It's a beautiful color. Absolutely beautiful. You should see this thing in the sunlight. It's just stunning. Absolutely stunning. So that is what is going on there. Perfect. And of course, you know, the Galaxy. The Galaxy is off home with the owner. He's going to bring it by when it's all done, but he got some of the interior done. I think he's getting tires and wheels now, and then it's going to go back to the interior shop for some finishing up, and then come back here for some finishing up. So probably in a month or so you'll see a video of that completed. And the 72 Buick is off getting wired right now. So it's getting wired and it'll be home. So we'll take a look at what Sean's doing in on the Falcon. How about that? Okay, before we see what Sean's doing, we'll take a look at what Mike's been working on. He's been working on the 69 Camaro. You can see he's put on all the inner panels. There, you can get a better look at that one over there. The door panel's attached. Remember, that was all cut out of here because it was a race car, right? Then he's had to redo and put in all the new trunk hinges, right? He had to put in the piece across here, all the package tray area. And now what he's been doing is he's been fitting the wheel tubs. Where did he put them? He put them somewhere. I saw him with, oh, right in here. So he's been cutting and fitting all the wheel tubs to fit up inside the car. So, and then that'll attach all up in here. And obviously we've cleaned everything up. He's got it stripped right down. So that's what's going on there. Fitting all that stuff. And then Mr. Sean is... now we'll go see what Sean's up to. Oh. And I moved the cab inside. Since I shut the camera off, I moved the cab inside. I did finish stripping out all the stuff. Got everything stripped out of it now. Well, not the glove box door, but big deal. So let the fun begin tomorrow. This is the way I'm ending my Friday. The end of the week, I'm gonna end my Friday right there. So, and Sean is Falcon's right here. It's getting all prepped up for the paint. As you can see, all inners are in 600, so they are ready to go and be painted. And he's working on just finishing up the trunk lid on the inside, be painting that. Got the hood all ready to paint the inside of that. All the bits and pieces. Doors are only in 400, so they still have to be finished off in 600. All these pieces are done, ready to go. These are all finished off in 600, ready to paint. So that's it. That is what is going on. So that being said, I'm going to cut this video short because it says we got 1 minute left before my battery dies. So hey, it's always a good time and old time, and I'll catch you next time.